Do you suffer from the debilitating symptoms of chronic pain, swelling, and loss of joint motion due to arthritis? Are you taking drugs like Celebrex and Vioxx or other super aspirin prescriptions? If you are, you're increasing the risk of heart attack and stroke by up to 50%. This is Dr. Tom Roselle, host of Dr. Tom Roselle Live Sundays at 12 noon. Why live with pain or the dangerous side effects of drugs when the doctors at the Roselle Center for Healing, practicing 21st century integrative medicine, can help you experience relief like never before? Simple, safe, chiropractic, acupuncture, and nutritional care can provide significant relief from arthritic pain in less than 6 weeks. More than 70% of our patients experience a return to life far beyond their expectations. Give yourself the best gift possible, freedom from arthritic pain, naturally. Call today to schedule an appointment. Call 703-698-7117 or visit online at rosellecare.com.
It is a Saturday morning update on WMAL, and it's always great to be joined by Dr. Tom Roselle. Of course, you hear Tom every Sunday at noon here on WMAL for Dr. Tom Roselle Live. Tom, it's good to have you with us again.
Thanks, Rick. It's always a pleasure. Good to be here.
Well, a couple of things. I want to have you back on because your approach to medicine is a little bit different than the traditional approach. It's been very helpful to people, and I've been learning more about your practice, the magnitude of your practice, and the fact that you are giving back to the community and helping some people in a very special way, something people should take advantage of. They've got another week or so to do it, and it involves your relationship with caring for others. And if you could tell us a little bit about what you're doing with them and about that organization.
Rick, Caring for Others was founded in 1998, and actually I am the founder of Caring for Others. And it came about simply because that we felt that we had an obligation to contribute back to the community, to the people that we serve at large, and particularly to those people who have no resources for anything, let alone integrative and alternative therapeutics. So Caring for Others came about, and it had 3 different pillars. The first pillar is that doctors volunteer their time to the homeless and the indigent and the shelters that are around, and even outside our own borders. The second pillar is scholarship. We give scholarship to students who are going to integrative and natural health care schools and universities, doctors of naturopathic medicine, chiropractic colleges, acupuncture colleges, nutrition colleges, and the third is public information. So what we did is we began to reach out beyond our practice and put together a format, if you will, so these people could get care other than traditional means of drugs and surgery, and to educate them so they can take care of themselves by dietary means, by exercise, by learning how to vent stresses, and to empower them to serve themselves and their families.
Well, it's a wonderful organization. It's been there 15 years, and people can help the organization this week, and more importantly, in a way, can even help themselves. And tell us about the offer that you are making that will actually support caring for others and the people who need those services.
Rick, as you know, our practice has chiropractors, acupuncturists, nutritionists, massage therapists, doctors of naturopathic medicine working as a team. And what we do is we look at the problem that a patient walks in with, regardless of what it is, whether it's an autoimmune problem, whether it's a migraine headache, a low back problem, or even some patients who have cancer. And we try to answer the question why that's happening to them, why their system is breaking down from a multi-focused point of view. And so what we're doing is we're trying to celebrate 15 years of public service and cooperation with Caring for Others by opening our doors and extending our services to the public. And what we're doing is that if someone wants to come in and be evaluated by our doctors at absolutely no obligation to them and no traditional cost that they would pay to us, what we're asking them to do is donate $49 to Caring for Others. And they would do that when they came in. They wouldn't make the check out to us. They would make it out directly to the foundation, which is a 501c3 charity. and our doctors would evaluate them from a consultation point of view. They would spend about a half hour with them. They would review their problems. They would talk to them about the possibilities that exist and recommend whether or not they would be a good candidate for treatment. So for a $49 gift to Caring for Others, our doctors will do a very full consultation with them, either from acupuncture or chiropractic or naturopathic medicine, and all they have to do is give our office a call and take advantage of it before September 21st.
Tom, most people that listen to WMAL are familiar with the Roselle Center for Healing. You've been, nearly 30 years in practice now here in Washington, and your success not only with the center, but the book that you wrote, Ageless Health, Health is a Do-It-Yourself program, and, of course, the twice Emmy Award-nominated TV broadcast, Ageless Health, the Special. And I mention all of those just to point out the expertise that you bring, the expertise that is at the center, and the opportunity for people who may have been doing a regimen now for years and somewhat disappointed or really haven't gotten any better. You may bring a completely different approach, a different way to look at their medical issues, and they could get the ball rolling for a $49 donation to a charity, and it's tax deductible.
It's totally tax deductible, and there's absolutely no obligation. It just gives them the opportunity to come in and have a conversation, find out if this is something that fits them, and more importantly, it may be the key that would turn their health life around permanently.
All right, to find out more about it and to set up an appointment, what's the best way to do it?
Just give our office a call. It's 703-698-7117, 703-698-7117.
And the website is rosellecare.com, so you can go either way. The phone number is 703-698-7117 or online at rosellecare.com. And again, we encourage you to listen to Tom's show every Sunday at high noon right here on WMAL. It is a great opportunity just to get a fresh look at yourself and the way you feel. It's a good opportunity. Tom, thank you so much for being with us once again.
Rick, thank you so very much. See you soon.